Happy Fashion Friday, everyone. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Adrienne Keyser, and I'm so glad that you all have joined me today. In today's video, I'm going to be doing one quick unboxing. But before I do, if this is your first time here, I hope you will subscribe to my channel. And without further ado, let's start unboxing. Fashion Friday, you know that means Michael Kors. Okay, not always, but if you did see my last Fashion Friday video, you'll see that I had an item that I was waiting on, and the reason I was waiting on it is because it was being monogrammed, and it's here. I'm so excited. I've been waiting for weeks to open this package just because I want to do it on camera. You guys know I love to unbox things on camera, so you know that you are getting my first real reaction of these items. So excited. Okay, so that's the outer box. This is the inner box. Of course, Michael Kors. Oh. The box, she's a little damaged. Am I mad about it? Not really. She goes back pretty nicely back to the way she was anyway. So here's the outer box. And one thing I have found with Michael Kors is if you do state that it is a gift, it comes in nice boxes like these. But otherwise, if it's just a regular purchase, it usually comes in the plastic. So I was smart this time and actually ordered it like it was a gift. So here is what it is on the inside. Save your boxes, save your stuffing. I know I say it every video, but it's important. Okay, here she is. Oh my God, look at her. With my initials, how gorgeous. Look at it. Look at the color, the gold hardware. Stunning. Stunning. And on the back, she has a little pocket. A little tiny little card pocket in the back. And her pull. Oh, she's tight, she's tight. Come on, little pull. Is in gold with the Michael Kors, of course. Such a stunner. All right, let's unzip it and go inside. Of course, there's going to be a ton of things that are going to fall out. Because even in his wallets, he protects them very nicely. So there's cardboard and foam and all kinds of goodies. A lot of pockets. Lots and lots of pockets. And I'm also going to snip off the tag because that's just going to get in my way. And I don't want anything obstructing the beauty that is this bag, this wallet. Oh, look at her. Look at her. Okay, so let's start on the card side. As you can see, lots of different cards. It looks like 8 pockets in there, right? It goes like this. 1, 2, 3. And then this is the big pocket. So it's actually 6 little pockets. And then the big pocket there. And then that's the actual pocket. Then we'll go to the middle. There's like a nice wide middle right there. That's nice. Of course, the lining we'll get into. Okay, let's see it close. Can you see it? Look at the lining. Oh, he's so perfection. And it looks like it's the swirlies that do have the Michael Kors as well. And then you not just have that pocket and that pocket, but you also have this side. Ooh, am I doing the right side? Yeah. There's a whole nother side with 6 more pockets and another pocket. So that's on both sides. Both sides are identical pockets, and then this pocket. And then you got this pocket and this pocket. And if that's not enough damn pockets, there's a zip pocket in the center. Is that the most magnificent wallet? Oh, and the pull tab for the center zip is in leather. It does not say Michael Kors on the little leather tab. Okay. Wow. She is a beauty. Oh, don't forget it says Michael Kors on the inside as well. In gold. What else? That's enough. My gracious alive. That is just one gorgeous wallet. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. So guess what I'll be using all winter? I actually had to replace a Michael Kors wallet that I had lost. So this one, the price was amazing. Again, those Michael Kors sales, as I said in my previous video, I am a VIP member. So I jump on those sales when I see them. That's why you see me getting so many Michael Kors items. I forgot to tell you the name of that gorgeous wallet. It is the Jet Set Pocket Continental Leather. But of course, I'll put the name of the item right